Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC and get your EIN number in the state of Nebraska. And this whole process is going to be really fast and easy. Click the link in the description below and it's going to take you to Taylor Brand's website. I'm going to show you on my screen at the same time you fill it out on your screen. It's going to be like a step-by-step process. So I'm going to show you exactly what to fill in. This whole process is only about 5 minutes. We're just gonna fly through it. I've seen tons of videos on YouTube that are really long and complicated. There's just no need for that, and this is not one of those videos. So again, click that link below, and let's just get started right away. All right, so it's gonna take you to Taylor Brand's website, and we're gonna start by clicking Nebraska. Okay, now you're gonna type in the name of your business to make sure that's available for an LLC in your state. And for me, I do eyelash extensions, so I'm going to type that in. Yes, it's available. All right, and now what stage are you currently in with your business? Just click what best applies for you. And as far as an industry, you can see as you type a letter in, tons of options come up. For me, I do eyelashes again, so there it is. And are you offering physical goods, a service, or both? So click whatever applies for you here. And as far as hiring employees, you can change your mind about having employees at any time before or after your filing of the LLC, and it won't affect anything at all. And do you have a goal for your income? This is kind of just for you to refer back to and see if you've met your goals, but you could skip this as well and click you don't know. Now you're going to type in the zip code of your business, and if you don't have a storefront or a physical address to use, you can use your home address, the zip code for your home address, and that's fine as well. And are you serving customers online, at a shop or store, or are you on the go? So select whatever applies for you right here. And you guys, today I want you to click LLC and also EIN. So your EIN number is basically like the social security number of your business. So you're gonna need it when you file your taxes, and you're also gonna need it if you open a business credit card or a business bank account. So highly recommend getting it while you're doing all this other stuff, and you'll more than likely need it within this year. And I love Taylor Brands for this because it's kind of like a one-stop shop for everything business related. So maybe you need a license or a permit made, or I don't know, a logo for your business, whatever you want, it's kind of all here. So select whatever else you need, but for today, we're just gonna click LLC and EIN. And you guys, if you don't want your EIN number for some reason today, you don't have to select this, but we're gonna go through these two today. Now, this is a survey, we can skip it, and you found Taylor Brands through YouTube. And they're offering you a free 12-week business coaching program. I love this. It's like, if I can learn something new to help me make more money, amazing, right? If you don't want it, just hit no thanks. And now you're gonna type in your personal information. And create a password. Okay, and again, do you want Taylor Brands to help you make your EIN? So if you want to handle it yourself, you can do it on the IRS website. Just a heads up though, they won't allow you to file it on weekends, so Monday through Friday only, business hours. Also, in my opinion, government websites are very outdated, difficult to navigate, and it just leaves room for error. And being this is my business, I don't want to make any mistakes. So for me, it's completely worth having Taylor Brands do it for me. It's only $99, and that's just one less headache to worry about. And as far as assigning a registered agent, it's basically a fancy term for who's going to receive the mail for your business. So if you live in Nebraska and your business is in Nebraska, you will be your own registered agent. Now, this might not apply if you live in some other state. Let's say you live in California and you're filing your LLC in Nebraska for some sort of tax benefits. Then you would need to appoint a registered agent in Nebraska, and Taylor Brands could help you out with that process. But again, if you live in the state, and most of you guys watching this, you probably live in the state, you have your business in Nebraska, you will be your own registered agent. Are you sure? Yes, we're sure. And every single year you need to renew your LLC. So they're gonna give you a couple warnings, like a heads up about it. If you forget to do it, you'll be hit with a bunch of late fees and fines, and we wanna avoid that, right? No need to pay anything extra. So if you're worried you might forget, Taylor Brands can do it for you. It's $199 a year for them to automatically renew it. It's a little bit pricey, but it's cheaper than the late fees that you'll be hit with. So if you think you might forget, recommend checking it out. If you think you can handle the compliance, you're just going to select this here. And would you like a branding toolkit? I'm going to click no. And in just 2 days, they can get you your LLC. It's only $49. So I want it as soon as possible. But if you don't mind waiting, they can get it to you for no extra cost in 2 weeks. And you don't need an operating agreement. So let's click this. I'll figure it out myself. If you want this branding toolkit, I'm going to click pass here. And yes, we'd like to get notified about our LLC and EIN for no extra charge. And you guys, there are a couple different options for plans that you can select. But again, I'm trying to save as much money as possible here. So let's click this light plan. We don't need anything extra for now. Okay, and here's the breakdown of what we're paying for today. The state filing fee in Nebraska is $103 for your LLC. We're also getting that free business coaching program, and we're paying for that 2-day expedited filing, so you'll have your LLC in just 2 days from now. This will be your grand total for today. Now keep in mind, after you receive your LLC, then they will begin the process for your EIN number, which is the additional $99. So don't be surprised when you see that charge come through. It's just for the second part of this process. So now we're going to go to payment. After you enter your credit card information, it's then going to ask you what address you want to use. So if you have a storefront or a location, use that address. If you don't, like me, I'm mobile, I don't have a storefront, I always use my home address. I've never received any junk mail, spam mail, anything like that. It's for them to contact you if they need you in regards to something with your LLC. And if you're not comfortable using that, check out online. You can get a virtual address as well. Just gives you a little more security. But like I said, I've always used my home address. I've never had issues with it. But that's it, you guys. You've just filed your LLC and EIN number. You can see this was super fast and easy. But if you do have questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I'm more than happy to help you out. And that's it for now. I wish you the best of luck in your business, and I'll see you guys in the next one.